Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Now you'll see I have something here today from Christoph. Yes, it is the Christoph from North Carolina that does fountain pens and other things. So let's see what's in it. And this is actually my first order from Christoph. So I don't know if it's what you'll expect me to be getting from them or not, or because they do lots of things. They're a pen maker, but they also, sell other things as well. But this is the first order I've ever gotten from them. Let me get the box out of the way. And this is my receipt. And I did not know that they made these. So we're going to unwrap the paper. You'll see there is a box with their logo, the fancy F, kind of like a Gothic F, I think. So let's open up this box and let's see what we've got in here. Ta-da! It is a traveler's notebook in a waxed canvas, a very waxed canvas. You can see it has the embossing right there. You can see it has some markings. One thing that is really unique is it has the corners aren't rounded. They're like a sharp cut. Let me see if I can find a traveler's notebook. Here's my original Midori. And here's my Bassi & Co. So, let me take everything out of this. I have this one set up as like a sketchbook. There we go. This is my original Midori that I got back in 2013, and it says Midori down here, made in USA. I'm in the process of doing a huge de-stash. I'm gathering up all of my traveler's notebooks. I think I might be keeping just my standard brown, my passport brown, and my standard brown that has the airport. And I think I'm gonna get rid of all of my others. I've already gotten rid of quite a bit, but I'm gonna get rid of, I think, everything else. Because these are the only ones I use are the brown ones. But let's see what's unique about this. Oh, it came with an insert, one of their inserts, and even notice the pages are the same way. And you'll see it's also a blank insert, so like the traveler's notebook. And so I'm sure it's a nice paper since they're used to fountain pens. But let's take this out. But look, there's a pocket here. And one thing that's unique about this pocket is they make a little sleeve that holds 3 fountain pens, and it fits in there. Also, my iPhone will fit in there. And I think this pocket is even big enough to fit a, what's it called? The plus size iPhone, like a large phone. And so you'll see there are 4 elastics. You'll see they have these like little grommets down here to help protect the waxed canvas from fraying. And you'll see it's 2 layers. See how they have it layers, put back sides together, and then it's stitched. And then the pocket is only stitched onto the back side. And even the hole here that has the elastic has a grommet as well. So there's a blank insert that came with it, and you'll see it also a stitched insert. If we go to the center, you'll see that they've got like, looks like double colors. So for the outside stitching, you'll see it's this burgundy-ish color, or like this nice wine color. It's a beautiful insert. And the inside, it's a nice white stitching since the paper's white. So that's like the bobbin thread, and then that's the other thread. And the cardstock is a nice, sturdy cardstock. So let's see. What do I have in here? I have a monthly calendar. Let's grab that. I have a weekly calendar, but I haven't been using it, so we won't grab that. This is March and April. We won't grab that. We've got a writing board, and we've got a writing board. Do we want the olive zipper pouch? Or do we want the mustard zipper pouch? And I know I want to take stuff out of it because there's lots of stuff. Oh, I got some stickers in here. Some kitty stickers, some Planning with John, some Seamus stickers, and some stickers from Brie. We'll leave those in there. I'm not sure what's in here. Ah, stickers. My stickers from my Patreon. Some of these stickers from my Patreon. More stickers from my Patreon. These are stickers from my dear friend Florence. More stickers from my Patreon. A beautiful postcard from Brie. Do we use the olive or do we use the mustard? What do you guys think? I kind of like the contrast. I think I like the contrast. So we'll use this, and I'll put these in there. So we'll have a zipper pouch. We'll have our writing boards. We'll have a blank insert. We'll have a monthly insert. I think I'm gonna take this out of here. I don't think we need this extra elastic right now. I think this will work. One thing I do like is that the elastic, the knot they have on the last one, a lot of them, they get it put in the center and then it just kind of bulks up, because I like to have the folder or a zipper pouch last, and I think it's really good for that. Actually, let's put that elastic there. Let's put a zipper pouch there. We'll put the journaling insert here. And we'll put the calendar insert here. I love setting up notebooks. And then this is a Midori Traveler's Factory watercolor insert. And it has perforated, you can see little perforated lines on the second half of the book. This we can put right here. I don't think I need the folder for right now. So we have a monthly calendar. Oh, I need to add dates to this. Concerts and stuff. Here is the beautiful insert from Christoph. Here's a watercolor insert, which actually I don't think I need the watercolor insert in there. We'll put the folder in there because I don't know if I want to I don't know how I want to use this yet. We'll put the little writing boards in there for now. And the zipper pouch. That is a lovely looking traveler's notebook, don't you think? It is such a pretty. I'm gonna check to see if I'm, so just to show you a little difference between, actually, what's in here? Oh, photos of my nephew and niece and stickers and live bold, live bearded. Oh, it's that beard shampoo and stuff I use, beard oils and creams. I got some of my Hanukkah stickers in it from this last year. Oh, that's so cool. I forgot I had that stuff in there. And photos of my nephew and my niece. Let's, just so we can see the difference between the two. This is my original Midori that started everything on this channel. And here's my new one, my Christoph. And I like it because it is a, it's sort of a more of a sustainable, it's a waxed canvas. It's really, really pretty. And I love the colors that it shows, the light colors that it shows. It's beautiful. And then this is my Bassi & Co. that I got over a year ago. Kind of close that up. But isn't that beautiful? So I will link Traveler's Factory, of course. I don't think I can link Bassi & Co. I think they went out of business. The last time I went to their webpage, it didn't work anymore. And I tried to message them and I didn't hear from them. So I think they might have gone out of business. So we have Traveler's Company and Christoph. I love it because it's so unique with the grommets to give it a little more stability, with the stitching, with the, instead of the rounded cut, the diagonal cut, the stitching, the pocket here, which, let me grab something. I'll just grab this while I have it over to the side. A little pencil, and another, say it was a pencil or a pen. Look at that. So if you had just like a pen you wanted to put in there, no need to bother with a pen loop or anything. That's cute. That's an old Bats Maru pencil I've had forever. I've had this pencil since 2012. The erasers, horrible, but they always have been. So, there we are. I will link Traveler's Company, and I will link Franklin Christoph down below, so you can take a look at their notebooks. These are called the Vagabond notebook cover, and this is the olive green. I mean, you know I would get an olive green one, right? It's something I tend to do. I love the olive colors. This one's really beautiful olive color. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Just a simple traditional unboxing. I know it seems silly since I said I'm going to be destashing items of mine, but there we are. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.